Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Banking Digits. My name is Shoikat Maji. In this episode, we are going to discuss about UCP600 Article 19 remaining clauses. Please don't forget to watch part 1 video of this article before watching this video. Part 1 video link is available in the description box. In previous video, we have covered till this clause. Any signature by an agent must indicate whether the agent has signed for or on behalf of carrier or for or on behalf of master. Now, next clause is multimodal transport document must appear to indicate that the goods have been dispatched, taken in charge or shipped on board at the place stated in the credit by pre-printed wordings. Means these words which is highlighted in red, dispatched, taken in charge or shipped on board, can be mentioned by pre-printed words like the example given below. See, this is the extract of a multimodal BL. Here, just refer the highlighted portion. It is mentioned taken in charge from the merchant by pre-printed words. So, this kind of pre-printed words are acceptable. Now, what is the meaning of at the place stated in the credit? Say for example, LC, place of dispatch is mentioned as London River House, UK. So from transport document we should be able to identify that goods are dispatched from or taken in charge at London River House, UK. It can be mentioned here along with these pre-printed words or in BL under place of receipt or dispatch from field. Now, next clause. You have to read from here. These words can be mentioned by pre-printed words or a stamp or notation indicating the date on which the goods have been dispatched, taken in charge or shipped on board. Refer below example of a stamp. Here it is mentioned as shipped on board. Next is the date of issuance of transport document will be deemed to be the date of dispatch, taken in charge or shipped on board at the date of and the date of shipment. However, if the transport document indicates by stamp or notation a date of dispatch, taken in charge or shipped on board, this date will be deemed to be the date of shipment. Now look at the example. Date of issuance is mentioned here and a separate date is mentioned in the stamp. If the stamp or any other notation is available in the BL, then date of issuance will be, if the stamp or any other notation is not available in the BL, then date of issuance will be considered as date of shipment. However, if the date is mentioned along with the stamp, then the stamp date will be considered as the date of shipment and issuance date will be ignored. Now next, multimodal transport document must appear to indicate the place of dispatch, taken in charge or shipment and the place of final destination stated in the credit, even if the transport document states in addition a different place of dispatch, taken in charge or shipment or place of final destination, or the transport document contains the indication with intended or similar qualification in relation to vessel, port of loading or port of discharge. Look at the below extract of a BL. Here, place of initial receipt is mentioned as Kolkata in BL. Now, in any other places, it can also mention a different place of receipt or taken in charge which is not mentioned in the LC and it is acceptable. Similarly, it can happen with place of delivery also, which is acceptable. Now, point number B means in transport document, in these fields, place of receipt, port of loading, port of discharge, vessel name, etc. is captured as per the terms of LC, and in somewhere else, in any other places, it is mentioned that intended place of receipt is Kolkata or intended vessel name is MVXYZ. then it is not a discrepancy and it is acceptable. Next clause, point number 4, states multimodal transport document must appear to be the sole original transport document, or if issued in more than one original, then be the full set as indicated on the transport document. It means full set of BL needs to be presented as indicated on the document. If the BL is issued only in one original, then only one original to be presented, and if issued in 3 by 3, then 3 by 3 to be presented, because if the full set is presented, then only title of goods are getting transferred, else anyone can release the goods with only one BL and she can present remaining to the issuing bank. Now next clause, point number 5, multimodal transport document must contain terms and conditions of carriage or make reference to any other source containing the terms and conditions of carriage, which is called short form or blank back transport document. Next, contain terms and conditions of carriage will not be examined. Contents of terms and conditions of carriage will not be examined. This clause states that terms and conditions of carriage must be available in the multimodal BL. However, it will not be examined. Terms and conditions can be pre-printed in the backside of BL, or there can be any other source given here in the backside, like any website or any link to check terms and conditions. So here what we will check? We need to check whether terms and conditions or any other source to refer terms and conditions should be available, but we will not check what is written in the terms and conditions and what are the meanings of those terms and conditions. Same applies in case of short form BLs. We do not need to go and check the specific link or website which is given in the back of BL. Now next point number 6 states multimodal BL contained no indication that it is subject to a charter party BL, because if any words are mentioned, then any such words are mentioned, then it will be treated as charter party BL and BL will be scrutinized as per Article 22, which is for charter party BL. Next point, B. For the purpose of this article, transshipment means unloading from one means of conveyance and reloading to another means of conveyance, whether or not in different modes of transport, during the carriage from place of dispatch, taken in charge, or shipment to the place of final destination stated in the credit. It means, say for example, goods are getting shipped from Dubai to USA as per transport document. Now, during the carriage in any place, goods can be transferred from one ship to another ship, or one ship to another truck, or one ship to another railway, and likewise. So if goods are unloaded and reloaded from one vehicle to another vehicle, whether it is a same mode or it is a different mode of transport, both cases will be treated as transshipment. Next point, C1. A transport document may indicate that the goods will or may be transshipped, provided that the entire carriage is covered by one and the same transport document. A transport document point number 2, a transport document indicating that transshipment will or may take place is acceptable even if the credit prohibits transshipment. This means if LC states transshipment is prohibited, then also transport document may evidence these words, goods will or may be transshipped, and this will not be a discrepancy. Just remember one thing here, entire carriage should be covered by one transport document. Just take an example here. If LC states goods to be shipped from Dubai to USA and in BL place of receipt is mentioned as Dubai and place of delivery is mentioned as USA, then if any such clause is mentioned in the BL that goods will be transshipped at UK, then document will be acceptable. However, if there are two different BLs presented, one BL evidence shipment from Dubai to UK and another BL evidence shipment from UK to USA, then it will be a discrepant document. That's all about Article 19. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. Until next time, take care and happy banking.